Okay, in this video, I wanted to get you a good start to this problem. Okay, we're finding the equation of a tangent line and normal line to the circle x squared plus y squared equals 25 whenever x is equal to 4. Okay, first thing you need to do is find the y coordinate whenever x is equal to 4. Okay, in this problem, there's going to be 2. Okay, to do that, go back to your original function formula, replace x with 4. Okay, we would have 4 squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, once we replace, you just solve for y. Okay, 4 squared is 16. 16 plus y squared is equal to 25. Subtract 16. We get y squared is equal to 9. Okay, square root both sides. You get y is 3 or negative 3. Okay, so that means we're going to find the equation of the tangent line and normal line at both 4, 3, and at point 4, negative 3. Okay, but that would make the video way too long. So I'm just going to focus on finding those two things at point 4, 3 only. Okay, let's look at a picture. Okay, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. That's that circle. Okay, right here is point 4, 3. Okay, they want you to find the equation of the tangent line at 4, 3. Okay, remember the slope of a tangent line is the derivative. Okay, they also want you to find the equation of the normal line at 4, 3. And you need to know to do that a normal line is perpendicular to a tangent line. So if you know the slope of the tangent line, the normal slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal of that slope. We'll use that here in just a minute. Okay, so first thing you need to do to find the slope of the tangent line, you need to find the derivative. Okay, we need to use implicit differentiation because there's x's and y's. Okay, for implicit differentiation, you find the derivative of both sides. Okay, the derivative of x squared is 2x. Okay, but if you're finding the derivative of a y, you put a dy dx after it. Okay, so the derivative of y squared would be 2y. Okay, but we have to put a dy dx after that. Okay, equals the derivative of 25 is equal to 0. Okay, now we're going to take this equation and solve for dy dx. Okay, you can do that by subtracting 2x from each side. Okay, that leaves you with 2y dy dx is equal to negative 2x. Okay, think of this as being dy dx multiplied to 2y. To get rid of a multiplied piece, you just divide it. So divide both sides by 2y. We get dy dx equals negative 2x over 2y. It would be nice to reduce. Divide the top and the bottom by 2. So dy dx is equal to negative x over y. And again, this derivative formula gives you the slope of the tangent line. Okay, so for the equation of the tangent line at point 4, 3, okay, I just need to take that negative x over y formula, and I'm going to put the x coordinate of 4 and the y coordinate of 3 into it. So I'm going to get negative, the opposite of x would be negative 4. Okay, y on the bottom, 3. So the slope of the tangent line at point 4, 3 would be negative 4/3. Okay, now I can just use point slope form because I have the slope of negative 4/3. I have the point 4, 3. So I want to take y minus the y coordinate of 3 is equal to the slope negative 4/3 times x minus the x coordinate of 4. Okay, now to find the correct answer on your multiple choices, we would have to add 3 to both sides. And you would end up with y equals 3 minus 4/3 times x minus 4. Okay, so that is one of the problems you were doing, the equation of the tangent line at 0.43. Okay, now the equation of the normal line at 0.43. Okay, the slope of the normal line at 4,3 is going to be the opposite reciprocal of negative 4/3. Okay, so that just means change the sign and flip it over. So now you're looking at a slope of 3/4, positive 3/4. So again, we can use point slope form because we have the slope. We have the 0.43. Okay, plug these in. Y minus the y coordinate of 3 equals 3/4 times x minus the x coordinate of 4. This simplifies a little bit better than the other one, because if I distribute on the right, I get 3/4 x. Okay, 3/4 times negative 4 would be minus 3. Okay, and then you can to choose the correct answer anyway. You could add 3 to both sides to solve for y. And you get y is equal to 3/4 x plus 0, or y equals 3/4 x. Okay, so this is like part of the problem you were doing. We found the equation of the tangent line at 0.43, and we found the equation of the normal line at 0.43. Okay, I hope this helps. I really appreciate you watching.